Factor completely. T squared plus 7t plus 10. If this trinomial factors completely, it will be of the form of a binomial times another binomial. Since the coefficient of t squared is 1, the first term in each binomial will be t. Now let's look at the signs of each binomial. Since b and c, where we're talking about at squared plus bt plus c, are both positive, we know that the signs of our binomials will be positive. Now for the constants in our binomials, we're looking for two factors of our constant 10 that when added sum to 7. Well, 1 and 10 are factors of 10, but those add to 11. 2 and 5 are factors of 10, and those do add to 7. So this factors to t plus 2 times t plus 5, which we can verify by completing FOIL and seeing that those factors do multiply out to t squared plus 7t plus 10.